And now to commodities, which continue their dramatic decline. And it's not just oil, which remains around $37 a barrel, but also iron ore, steel, aluminum, and pretty much every hard metal. And the impact is being felt globally. Anglo American, one of the world's largest miners, said today it is cutting 85,000 jobs and selling 60% of its portfolio. Just one example of the toll the rout of commodities is taking. If 85,000 job cuts doesn't get your attention, the descriptor will. British miner Anglo American, the world's fifth biggest mining company by market value, says it's planning, quote, radical changes. Founded back in 1917 by Ernest Oppenheimer, Anglo American says it will sell off 60% of its assets, cut spending by more than half next year, and suspend its dividend, the latest example of what's become a rout in commodities. Anglo American warned profits will be down at least 20% this year, joining Swiss miner Glencore among the worst stock performers in the UK lately, both down more than 70% on the year. These are stunning drops, especially when taken on top of the fall in energy prices. S&P 500 energy companies, just energy, have given back almost $360 billion in market cap this year. But energy is not the whole story.
The infrastructure got built out to satisfy or try to satisfy China's what was seen as almost insatiable demand. If they can come back, these commodities will come back. But for now, we're just flat on our backs.
Almost all commodity producers are in trouble as well. 15 of the 19 core commodities in the Thomson Reuters Global Commodities Index are down this year. The only positives are agriculture-related sugar, cotton, orange juice, and cocoa. Anglo American says it expects to continue digging for metals such as copper, bulk materials like coal and iron ore, and diamonds. But demand is down in all of these businesses, and so are jobs. Here in the United States, despite its somewhat healthier than the rest of the world job market, employment in mining and logging was down more than 1% last month. For the year, mining and logging have dropped 124,000 jobs so far.
I think it's a full palette of elements here for the bears to pick from. And if it's not one thing, if it's not the OPEC meeting falling apart, then it's bad Chinese trade data.
What these sharp losses in commodities are telling us is that this isn't just oil or an energy issue. The numbers say we are seeing a big slowdown in the global economy.